Mildred. Mildred. Mmm. Mildred. What, Henry? What? Can you please make me some coffee? Please? What? Henry, do you know it's like 6 in the morning? Are you up waking me up for coffee? But Mildred, you know you're the only one that brew my coffee right. You brew it just the way I like it. Can you please make me some coffee? Fine. Fine, Henry. Fine. This Henry, if I didn't love him so much, I'd have leave him a long time ago. Mildred! Yes, Henry. I'm hearing you mutter up there. Oh, shut up, Henry. I'm going to make your coffee. Henry, your coffee is ready. Or do I have to bring it for you too? That would be nice, Mildred. Thank you. Thank you, Mildred. You are so good to me. But it's a little hot. Could you at least blow it? Thank you, Mildred. I don't mean to be a bother all the time.